Welcome back. This is Mr. Tipton, and today we are looking at combining integers from some real-world applications, some real-world type problems. Word problems, pretty much. Okay? There's not a whole lot new to learn. We've already learned how to combine our integers. We're just applying them to some problems that have words in them. No big deal. 4 things that we need to make sure that we remember for our real-world problems. First thing, we're looking for keywords and important information. We need to make sure that we answer what we're asked, okay? Make sure we know what it is the question's asking us. And when we answer, we need to make sure that we do it with a sentence, not just a number with a label, but a good sentence answer. And lastly, we're going to make sure that we show our work. We have to prove where it is that our answer came from. All right. And again, at any point, I've already written some things down in this video. At any point, if you need to pause it so you can write down what you need to, then do that, please. Let's get going. Maybe. Come on, here we go. All right. At 6 a.m., the temperature was -6 degrees Fahrenheit. By 3 p.m., the temperature had risen 23 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the temperature at 3 p.m.? All right. Keywords, important information. We know we've got a -6 degrees where the temperature started. And by 3 p.m. it had risen 23 degrees. All right. So, keywords, important information. We've underlined some of that there. What are we being asked? What was the temperature at 3 p.m.? We'll give a sentence answer when we get one. And let's make sure and show our work, all right? So the temperature started at -6. And if it had risen, if it rose 23 degrees, well, what happened? Well, it went up. That's an adding word. If it rises, it's going up. It rose 23 degrees. So what was the temp at 3 p.m.? Well, let's apply what we know about combining integers. These have different signs, so we're going to subtract. 23 minus 6 is 17. And which one of these is a stronger number, the 6 or the 23? The 23 is stronger because it has a greater absolute value. It's further away from 0. So we're going to stay with a positive 17. All right? To answer what we were asked, what was the temperature at 3 p.m.? We're going to say the temperature. Whoops. What does that say? I don't know what that says. The temp, or temperature, at 3 p.m. was 17 degrees Fahrenheit. A good sentence answer. All right. Please be careful when you're doing these word problems, these real-world problems, to answer what you're asked. What if the question had said, what integer represents the temperature at 3 p.m.? All right? When it says what integer, it's just asking you for a number. This would have a different answer that wouldn't require a whole sentence. If it just says what integer, it'd be 17. It's a positive 17 because it's above 0. Okay, so please understand the difference between a question like, what was the temperature, and what integer represents the temperature. See the difference? Hope so. Moving on. Let's do another problem. Let's see. Ashton got on an elevator on the 33rd floor. He rode down 9 floors to the vending machines and back up 6 floors to the copy room. Where is Ashton? Keywords, important information. He's starting on the 33rd floor. He rode down 9 floors. And he went back up 6 floors. So where is Ashton? Okay, showing our work. He got on the elevator at the 33rd floor. He went down, that's going to be a negative, down 9 floors, and then back up 6 floors. Alright, 33 minus 9 is 24. Showing our work here. And then 24 plus 6 is 30. 30 is not the answer, because the question is, where is Ashton? Where's Ashton? He's 30. Not specific enough. We need a good sentence answer. Ashton is on the 30th floor. Answer what you're asked with a complete sentence. Ashton is on the 30th floor. And again, pay attention to what the question is. What if the question had been, what integer represents the change in Ashton's location? Well, where is Ashton now compared to where he was? All right, he started on the 33rd floor, and now he's on the 30th floor. So his change is he has gone down 3 floors. What integer represents down 3? Well, that would be a -3. All right? Answer what you're asked. It's a big deal. What integer represents the change? Where is Ashton? They are different questions. They're going to have different answers. But as far as the actual combining of the integers, you know how to do that. And you know how to read. So just combine the things you know. Make sure you have your notes done. And we'll see you soon.